I think there are three key trends that we're seeing in the market that's perhaps different from previous years. The first one that I would mention is that companies are no longer thinking in terms of should I do BPO or should I set up an internal shared services centre, but they're actually looking to take the best from both and creating a hybrid model, and will give different parts of the process either to the internal shared services or the outsourced, depending on what makes sense. And the second thing that I think we're seeing is that there was a lot of talk about moving up the value chain, but companies are also starting to move across the value chain. By that, looking at what the synergies are with working with other departments such as procurement, and also in addition to taking some of those higher value added activities from finance. And I think the third area where we're seeing companies is looking really again at the organisation structure of shared services, particularly when they have a global operation. I think previously the temptation has to set up regional based shared services centres that service a regional audience, and now companies are looking a little bit more at the end-to-end process and whether or not they can structure the delivery based on the process, which means that you no longer have a regional head of shared services centres, but you perhaps have a global process owner. And a lot of companies are finding that there are some significant savings to be made by sharing best practice on a global basis and standardising.